You are welcome in AI with Rao. And let's make AI simple. So let's take an example. Say you are observing 1000 people, their weight and their height. And you did that for about a year. And you found one thing, that as the height increases, weight also increases. Okay? In second situation, you found that when winter comes, the temperature increases, okay, and sales of winter clothes decreases. Now here is an interesting story. Again, you are the owner of a ice cream shop, but you are doing one thing very mindfully. You are observing and noticing, write it down on you are writing it down on a paper every day. What is the temperature today and how many ice cream you sold. Okay, every day you did that for 1 month, and you found an interesting pattern. The temperature increases, number of ice cream sale also increases. Now there is another business, and that business is winter clothing shop. As the temperature increases, the number of client or the sale of this winter clothing also decreases. Now if you ask me that why I am saying these stories, this story is actually the representation of two important concepts. The first is covariance and the second is correlation. Let's start with first, covariance. So in first example that we took in the case of ice cream, how these two variables are moving, are they moving together? Then covariance is positive. If they are moving in opposite direction, then covariance is negative. What is happening in first case, in the case of ice cream business? Covariance is positive because both of them are moving together. The temperature increases, the sales of ice cream also increases. Now in second business, the temperature increases, the sales of winter clothes decreases. So covariance here is negative. And covariance is closer to zero if there is no meaningful relation. But the problem with covariance is it does not tell that what is the strength of that relationship. And to overcome that problem, scientists have introduced concept correlation. So correlation tells two things. First is the relationship and also the strength of that relationship, and it lies between positive one to negative one. If correlation is positive one, then they are perfectly moving together. They are perfectly moving together. And if covariance is -1, they are perfectly moving in opposite direction. And if covariance is 0 or even closer to 0, it means there is no meaningful relationship between them. Now if you ask me that why I need to learn covariance and correlation, what is the use of these two concepts? I can tell you, as a data scientist, first thing we do is to measure the correlation between two features that we are going to give to our machine learning model to train. Before that, we don't even pass the data. So this is the first thing as a data scientist we choose, is what is the correlation? What is the relationship between the variable, between the two features? Are one feature increasing, other feature also decreasing or not decreasing, and how much is it is decreasing or increasing? So all machine learning prediction in healthcare, stock market analysis, image processing, all these things are actually the application of correlation. So thank you being in the video till now, and for tomorrow we are going to learn that how actually the computer learns from this data. Okay, so be there in the video till now. Thank you so much.